Okay, so we've got question 4, and what we have is a group frequency table of body weights in kilograms of rugby players, and we're asked to find the mean, median and variance. So to find the mean, we've done this in school many times. We're going to do the midpoint of each group category, and then we're going to times it by the frequency and then divide by the total number of players. So what we're going to have is the sum of f of x is 77 times 1, 82 times 2, 87 times 2, it's 92 times 4, that's 97 times 3, that's 102 times 2, that's 107 times 1, and that should come out as 1385. So if we want to find the mean is simply sum of f of x over n, so this will be 1385 divided by 15, that will give us 92.3. Okay, so part A continue, we're going to find B, which is the median. So again we're going to use our favourite linear interpolation. So we know there's 15 players. So you know if we divide by 2, that will tell us that we're after 7.5 value. Now if we have a look at this and look at our table, and of course if we want to use like commutative frequency as I showed in the previous question, the 7.5 value lies in the category 90 to 94. So again, we want to draw that diagram, we've got to work out what we'd use as our lower bounds and our upper bounds. Now if you notice, between the groups there's a gap of 1, so for example you've got a group such as 85 to 89, then the next group is 90 to 94, so you've got a lower bound there of 89.5. Of course this is going to go up to our 94.5 because we've got a group of 90 to 94, then the next group up is 95 to 99, so we want to go in between the two groups, so we've got 94.5. So we know this will be the 5th value, and we know this is the 9th value. And of course we're after the 7.5. So as we've done previously, we're just going to do 89.5. That's 7.5 minus 5, all over 9 minus 5. And we've got a difference in the group of 5, so we're going to times that by 5 as well. So we put that all into calculator, we should get 92.6 to 3 significant figures. So continuing part A, we're after finding the value of C, and we want the variance. Now the variance is the sum of f of x squared over n minus the sum of f of x over n all squared, which that means that's the mean there squared. So we worked out this value previously. So we also need to obtain what f of x all squared is. So what we're going to have is 77 squared times 1, 82 squared times 2, that's 87 squared times 2, that's 92 squared times 4, that's 97 squared times 3, that's 102 squared times 2, that's 107 squared times 1. We should get there as a final value once we put the calculator is 128,855. So our variance then is going to be 128,855 over 15 minus 92.3. Put 3 recurring just so you get a really accurate value of the variance. That will come out as 64.9. Okay, question 4b. This is straightforward. So they're saying the rugby coach claims that players' body weight increased between 1990 and 2010. So using the table in part A, comment on the rugby coach's claim. Now, there's a variety of answers to this. I mean, what you could easily look at is in 1990 the mean was 83, and of course we just worked out the mean in 2010 is 92.3. So we could say there, mean in 1990 is less than the mean in 2010. Of course that will back up the coach's claim. So the mean has increased. So the claim, the rugby coach's claim, is correct.